Hello, welcome to the PLC programming session 2. In this session we will discuss about timers. PLC programming is a part of learning outcome 2. The learning objective of this session is, at the end of this session you will be able to use timers in your PLC programs. See this picture, and suppose if we need to program in such a way that the alarm should be high if both these level switches are high, you can program it like this. It's an AND gate operation. But if the level switch 1 is high, turn on the alarm and remain it on for 1 minute. How we will do that? We need timer for that. Another example, if the level switch 1 is high, turn on the alarm after 1 minute. Then also we need a timer. Once the alarm becomes low from high, turn on a pump after 2 minutes. Then also we need a timer. Another situation, measure the total time of operation of the pump in a day. Then also we need a timer. So there are plenty of applications of timers in PLC programs. In Logix Pro there are 3 types of timers: on delay timer, off delay timer, and retentive timer. First let us see the operation of on delay timer, or T-on. See the symbol of on delay timer. There is 1 input and 2 outputs. The outputs are EN, or enable, and done bit. The done bit will be the commonly used output. The operation is, once the input is high, the output will be high after a delay. Let us see the operation in detail. See the parameters. The timer is selected to T4:0. There are different timers: T4:0, T4:1, 2, etc. Time base is fixed to 0.1. and preset we can select. How much delay we will get is equal to time base multiplied with preset. So if we need 1 second delay, we need to give preset 10. If we need 10 seconds delay, we need to give preset 100. If the input turns high, it begins the timing and accumulator counts up, and the enable bit becomes high. When the accumulator is equal to the preset, the timer stops timing. The output done bit turns on, and the timer is reset when the timer input is off. Diagrammatically, we can represent the operation as shown in the figure. The output is high only after a delay. So the operation of on delay timer is, once the input is high, the output will be high after a delay. Let us analyze the operation of on delay timer in simulator. So in the simulator, select bit timer counter, select T-on and drop in the first run. Select one normally open to turn on the timer. The address of the normally open contact can be 0. So this symbol I will go timer on. Okay, now we need to select the timer. So let us double click on here. It will select automatically T40. Preset, we can give the desired preset. For example, if I need 5-second delay, I need to give 50. And let us run this. So the operation is the output done bit will be high only after a delay, and the delay is the multiple of 0.1 with 50, which means 5 seconds. So if I turn on this timer, the done bit will be high only after 5 seconds. Now I turn on, see the counts up. After 5 seconds the done bit became high, and it remain high as long as the input is high. And we can reset the timer just by making this input low. Once again turn it on, the accumulator counts up. When it reaches 50, the done bit is high. The enable is high whenever the input is high. The enable is high whenever the input is high, the accumulator counts up, and when the accumulator is equal to preset, done bit is high. So we will get 5 seconds delay now. And if I need a different delay, just change this preset. Thank you. That's the operation of on delay timer. So the on delay timer operation is once the input is high, the output will be high after a delay time. As we discussed earlier, there are 3 types of timers in Logix Pro software: on delay timer, off delay timer, and retentive timer. In this video we discussed about on delay timer. In the next session we will discuss about off delay timer. See you in the next video.